Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best flexible sanding block is probably one of the most underrated tools in any workshop. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a weekend DIY enthusiast, achieving a flawless finish is paramount. These blocks offer unparalleled flexibility, conforming to curves and contours that traditional sanding methods simply can't match. Join me as we dive into the world of flexible sanding blocks and discover how they can elevate your projects. Number 5. Dura-Gold SB1 Flexible Sanding Block. Dura-Gold is a leading manufacturer of high-quality products. They are known for their commitment to excellence and innovation in the industry. This product has gained international recognition for its quality and performance. It is part of a diverse range of award-winning products. This sanding block is fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology. This ensures it meets the highest standards of performance and efficiency. This product has been designed with the professional in mind. It is built to withstand the rigors of daily use and deliver exceptional results. Dura-Gold is constantly modernizing its powerful devices. This ensures that it meets the demands of the modern user and stays ahead of the curve. What we like. This block is designed with professionals in mind, ensuring top-notch performance. It utilizes modern technology to meet the demands of today's users. If you're a professional looking for a reliable and high-performing sanding block, this is the one for you. What people say. Great for detail sanding on curves. It contours to the shape you are sanding. It did not soak up water when wet sanding. Number 4. Dura-Gold Pro Superflex Longboard Sanding Block. Introducing the Dura-Gold Pro Series Superflex Longboard Hand Sanding File Block. This innovative tool is designed for both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper. It ensures optimal sanding performance for various projects. This longboard sanding block is extremely flexible, constructed with durable polyurethane foam. It can bend to a semicircle shape, making it ideal for different surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. The block features a two-way design, compatible with both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper. It includes an adapter pad for easy conversion, providing flexibility in sandpaper choice. The hook and loop and PSA backing enable quick and secure sandpaper attachment and removal. This feature maximizes the life of your sanding discs, saving you time and money. This versatile sanding block is perfect for auto body, woodworking, and various other projects. It's a premium quality tool designed for professional results, ensuring exceptional performance. Dura-Gold offers a wide range of high-quality supplies. This product, along with our other offerings, helps you get the job done fast and efficiently. What we like. This sanding block features an extremely flexible design, allowing it to bend to a semicircle shape. It also offers both hook and loop and PSA backing for versatile sandpaper options. If you are working on auto body, woodworking, or any project that requires flexibility and adaptability, this block will be your best choice. What people say. The flexibility of this block is perfect for sanding curved surfaces. It conforms well to the contours of the project. The hook and loop system works great for holding the sandpaper. Number 3. Dura-Gold Pro Series Longboard Hand Sanding File Block. This is the Dura-Gold Pro Series Longboard Hand Sanding File Block. It's designed for both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper. It's a versatile tool for various sanding and polishing tasks. The block is adjustable, allowing you to set concave or convex shapes. It holds the angle throughout sanding, maintaining the contour profile. This feature ensures consistent results. This sanding block features a unique two-way design. It can be used with both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper. It includes an adapter for PSA sandpaper. The block is ergonomic and durable, making it easy to grip. It provides even control when sanding flat surfaces, corners, and contours. It's built to last. It's suitable for auto body shops, woodworking, and various other projects. It's a premium quality tool for professional and DIY use. You can use it in many different scenarios. Dura-Gold offers a wide range of high-quality supplies. The product line includes sandpaper and accessories. They provide exceptional performance, saving you time and money. What we like. This block has an adjustable radius, allowing you to set and hold concave or convex shapes. It also features both hook and loop and PSA backing for versatile sandpaper options. If you like to maintain the same contour profile while sanding, this adjustable block is perfect for you. What people say. Used to machine the block surface on a Duramax, worked great. 16-inch is the perfect size for this. Easy to adjust for various contours, with comfortable handles. It's ergonomic and very rigid, keeping the pad level as you push-pull. I've used this sanding wood, metal, and aluminum with the same great results. I do use this brand sandpaper with the adhesive backing, but it has clips to hold non-adhesive paper as well. Number 2. Dura-Gold Pro Rectangle Hand Sanding Block Kit. This is the Dura-Gold Pro Series Sanding Block Kit. It comes with 3 different block lengths for various sanding needs. The blocks are designed for both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper. The kit includes blocks in 5, 7 to 3/4, and 10 lengths. Each block is 2 to 3/4 wide, the standard for longboard file sandpaper. This allows you to tackle different projects with ease. These blocks feature a unique 2-way design. You can use them with both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper sheets. It also includes an adapter pad for PSA sandpaper. Made with medium-density polyurethane foam, the blocks are built to last. The hook and loop and PSA backing ensures quick sandpaper changes. This will help you achieve optimal sanding disc life. Perfect for auto body, woodworking, and more. It's great for paint prep, detailing, and various other projects. The blocks are easy to grip and offer excellent control. Dura-Gold provides high-quality supplies for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This kit is designed to help you get the job done efficiently, saving you time and money. What we like. This kit includes 3 rectangle blocks of different sizes, providing versatility for various projects. It also features both hook and loop and PSA backing for versatile sandpaper options. If you are looking for a comprehensive sanding solution with multiple size options, you should consider this kit. What people say. Used to sand body filler. Hook and loop worked well to hold sandpaper and came with optional hook and loop attachment to allow adhesive paper as well. Comfortable shape made sanding easy. Holds up well wet sanding as well as dry. My hands do not get fatigued using the soft sanding blocks, and I can feel the contour of the metal as it crosses the surface. They are rigid enough to make a desired flat area flat and not cut through the primer layers around the contoured areas. Sun flexibles incluyen support para liger en seco y humido, no lastiman las manos, de muy buena calidad. Number 1. Dura-Gold Micro Hand Sanding Block Kit. This is the Dura-Gold Micro Hand Sanding Block Kit. It comes with a 3.5 inches by 1 inch pad and hook and loop backing. It's designed to make your sanding tasks easier and more efficient. The kit includes 40 assorted grit sandpaper sheets. You'll get 5 sheets each of 60, 80, 120, 180, 220, 320, 400, and 600 grits. This variety ensures you have the right grit for any project. The sander features a premium quality, soft polyurethane foam. Its hook and loop backing allows for quick and secure attachment of the sandpaper sheets. This design enhances both comfort and efficiency. These high-performance sanding sheets are made with super-coated aluminum oxide corundum fused with zirconia alumina. They deliver a fast, long-lasting cut with a consistent scratch pattern. It also resists clogging, increasing productivity. This lightweight and flexible sander is perfect for small, hard-to-reach areas. It's ideal for sanding wood, furniture, automotive paint, and more. It helps you achieve a smooth finish on any surface. Dura-Gold offers a complete line of professional, high-quality sandpaper. This kit helps you get the job done fast, saving you time and money. Choose Dura-Gold for exceptional sanding performance. What we like. This kit is designed for detail sanding with a small 3.5x1 pad. It comes with a variety of sandpaper grits, making it ideal for small, hard-to-reach areas. If you are working on small projects or need to sand in tight spaces, it is perfect for you. What people say. Perfect for all those little projects that need a little sanding. One end is low enough to get under opposing structure. The other end is tall and flush, giving an almost perfect 90 degrees approach. Feels strong in the hand and well made. The paper sticks easily to the bottom. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.